How to connect OKX Exchange to RoyalQ via API. Here, tap the API binding icon. From the list, select the OKX Exchange. Right away, copy IP group binding. Then open the OKX app. Now you're on the main screen. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, scroll down and select API. If you are using your main account, leave main account selected. If you've created a sub-account for this purpose, tap the account selection field and choose the appropriate sub-account from the list. Next, tap the large Create API Key button. Enter a name for the key, for example, RoyalQ. Next step, make sure the selected account is correct. Then, in the Purpose field, leave API Trading. If something else is selected, change it to API Trading. In the IP address Allow List field, paste the address you copied from RoyalQ. Now set the permissions. Read is enabled by default, and you also need to enable Trade. Attention! Do not enable Withdrawal. Now create a passphrase. Pay attention to the requirements. Your phone may suggest creating a password automatically, or you can set your own. For example, I create my own. Now attention! Make sure to copy this password or save it in your notes or wherever, as you'll need it in future steps. When you've done that, tap Submit All, then go through verification. This may be Face ID, fingerprint, password, and so on, plus confirm with your phone number. You will receive an SMS with a 6-digit code. Enter it. You'll also receive a code by the email address you have linked to the exchange. Enter that as well. By the way, if the email doesn't arrive after 60 seconds, tap Resend. In my case, I received the code on the second try. After completing all the steps, tap Show Info. First, copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in RoyalQ. Then go back to OKX, copy the secret key, and paste that into RoyalQ as well. Finally, enter the passphrase you created earlier in OKX. In the verification code field, tap Send Code. The code will be sent to the email address you have linked to RoyalQ. Read this message and tap I understand. Once you receive the code, enter it here and check the box. I have carefully read Risk Warning and tap Bind. That's it. If you've done everything correctly, you'll see a screen like mine right now. Now you can move on to the next step, sync to a strategy. I'll explain how to do this in the next tutorial.